Okay, the question is the Triputi, or they call as the three: the seer, the process of seeing, and the seen. Okay, so how are they one? Or this called Triputi. In the beginning, there is always the one eternal existence, deep silence. There is no other there. There is no part. There is no other. Existence is like that in the beginning, in the middle, in the end. It's now also it's like that. There's no change in that existence. Existence is always like that. It's called Sat. Sat means truth. Eternally it is like that. There's no other there at all. That Sat we represent through Narayana. Resting in ocean, silence, in a sleeping posture. So, as far as Narayana consciousness is concerned, there is no other at all. So, in that consciousness, there appears many worlds, many living beings, non-living beings. Many appear. The other appears. That silent consciousness is called that Tat. And this appearance is called Idam, this. So now, in place of one, there are two. But the two is not the other. It's a part and appearance in that one. It is almost like a dream. In dream, when you sleep, there are many animals and plants and human beings. Now there appear to be many, but in reality there is not many, but just you. Similarly, that in that consciousness, Narayana, many worlds, galaxies, living beings, many beings appear. So now the appearance itself is okay. The appearance itself has no life. It's like more of a painting. So to experience, there's an experience required. Now the universal consciousness identifies with one of the beings, one of the objects, like you or animals. So then there is an experiencer. There are many forms appear. One of the form is associated, the consciousness appears associated with one of the forms for experience, because otherwise there is no experience possible. For example, in your dream there may be so many animals and living beings, then you have to enter into the dream to experience it. You take some body and enter. Similarly, that universal consciousness Narayana identifies with one of the bodies like you, and now it's not Narayana, it's called Jivatma, and starts experiencing the world. So now what is there? The moment you start experiencing the world, there's an experiencer, the experienced, and the process of experiencing. Experienced is the environment, the world. The experiencer is the Jivatma, the identified consciousness with the body. And the process of experience is nothing but the mind. You understand? There are three appeared. So this will continue, keep on continuing, because there's a lot of interaction happens, a lot of impressions build up. After some time, there's enlightenment. The experiencer is the individual consciousness. That individual consciousness, initially it was I am, the universal consciousness appeared as I am in that body. I am associated with the body and say I am body. Okay. I am associated with the mind, it says I am mind. Then the experience starts. The I am so and so is the jiva. The process of experiencing is happening to the mind, and the object is the world. Mind, he says, Mind, see, through the mind, it's seeing, hearing, all those things is happening, experiencing process. So when the enlightenment happens, that I am drops first, saying that I am not the body, mind, or intellect. I am consciousness. I am Chaitanya. Finally, that I am merges with the universal consciousness, supreme consciousness. There's no longer I am a pure witness. Now that witness is not a being, a person. Witness not entity. Just a witnessing is happening. So the experiencer is gone, replaced by a witnessing. The mind has become silent, and the object still there. But because that there is a separation, I am the experiencer is gone. Witnessing is happening. Only witnessing is there. So this has led to a collapse of three into one. Experiencer, experience, and process of experiencing has collapsed into witnessing. In witnessing, I and the other is not there. Just a witnessing is there. So beyond that, the object also disappears. Then the witnessing also disappears. And back to square one, where pure consciousness, Narayana, is there. Any questions now? I? That I is replaced by witnessing, not even the witness. Witness means entity. Witnessing is a process, just continuous process.
So I am witness and other wrong. I am witness.
Witnessing is going on. Moment to moment.
So I can't even ask that I want to experience. Adu wrong. I want to wrong. I wrong. Then what should I say? How to ask?
Silent.
Continuous thoughts iruttala.
So first you become witness. Develop the witness consciousness. Read my book. You have my book?
Online.
Yeah, online is there, PDF is there, book is also. Witness consciousness. Then that witness consciousness drops and witnessing remains. After some time, witnessing also drops. Sat alone remains. That alone remains. Anybody has a question?
What I experienced is, mind is ultimately when the thoughts drop, the mind is the mirror. Whatever you see is just mirrored. That's been the recent experience. Sit quietly in a park and just watch. It's a mirror, the absolute mirror. And that means the witness consciousness is you see this as a mirror. Mind is a mirror, and intellect is sort of facilitating that. Being the sakshi is sort of providing through your intellect.
Yeah.
Intellect is sitting in between. With mind as a mirror, the intellect is sitting.
Intellect itself has become sakshi now.
It is itself becomes sakshi. It's sort of facilitating. Probably intellect is more close to the Anandamaya kosha, right? The Manomaya, then Vijnanamaya, Anandamaya kosha. So your intellect is pervading, basically, it's transparent to see the mind as a mirror. At the same time, Sakshi Bhava is also, one, correct me, Brahman is the superconscious, and your conscious is a reflection of Brahman. So that drops, I think maybe 3 becomes 2 and then probably become 1.
When it becomes one, there's everything disappears also. There's no phenomena. So you're back to square one.
Maybe constant meditation probably takes there. It's now 2.
The 2 will be, there's no 2 actually. This one witnessing is there. Witnessing is not 2. Beyond witnessing, there's eternal one. Or that Advaita, non-dual. Yes, Pradeva, what is the question? No, Fatima has disappeared. Okay, yours.
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಸಮ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಸ್ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಪ್ಲೇ ಎನಿ ರೋಲ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು
Gravity and grace, I spoke today morning about gravity and grace.